Hey guys, I'm LT.
Scooter Hairy Man on the inside.
We want to introduce you to something that we've been working on for a while, we've been thinking about for a while.
Long time.
And finally got it to come together.
Yes.
All right, first, you guys have been always, hey, you're always out of knives, you don't have anything in stock.
Yeah,
well,
not our fault, but our fault.
Well, there's only so many of us, and we can only make so many things.
Correct.
So we make X number of knives every 2 weeks, and they all sell. Thank you for that. Thank you for the support.
Yeah,
we greatly appreciate it.
That's always good, but there's always somebody that missed out.
So we took our design and we reached out to a friend of ours.
Yeah, that's cool.
Stay in there. Okay.
Of course,
reached out to a friend of ours here in Ohio, Wreck Manufacturing, and asked them, hey guys, let's do this together. And this is what we've come up with.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Our Genesis design.
Yes. Oh, I got the black one.
Yeah, you got a black one.
Hold on.
In a saber grind with the A2 steel that we've used for
always good
years.
Yep.
Sharpened spine, just like you would find on any of our knives.
Mm-hmm.
And what a great knife in the hand.
Fantastic.
Removable scale.
The scales and the knife are machine made.
Yes. These are CNC.
And now, of course, bolted together by hand. The hardware is also CNC made. They made that hardware, which is really cool.
Which is very cool.
Hollow, and it takes a, what, T30?
That's a Nick question.
T25, somewhere like that.
It takes a couple different sizes. Very
because
cool.
they taper, No lanyard hole.
Well,
no lanyard tube.
No lanyard tube, right.
So these are removable. They have the thumb scallops. Everyone seems to be digging on thumb scallops. But like LT said, sharpened spine, and we sharpen it.
Yes.
It's important.
Oh, 100%. These are all inspected, and we sharpen them and handle each one of these.
Be careful.
I know it's sharp, I'm touching it. But it's a way to get a beautiful, beautiful saber grind. The guys at REC Manufacturing, you guys did a great job. Thank you very much. Love to team up with them on this.
They look great.
This is our proven design. We've been building this knife for decades.
Yep.
Over a decade. And what a great functional using knife. It feels great in the hand.
Sure. Yeah.
And we're just super excited to bring this to the public.
Now,
so you got the removable scales, machine made Genesis.
Yes.
We still make the handmade stuff.
Yeah, that'll be
cool.
Of course we do that. We are still handcrafted knives, but we are now venturing into something machine made.
And this is cool.
All of the great attributes of the Genesis are still found here. The design of it, saber grind, which we don't do a whole lot of, so there you go. Drip notch, easy for sharpening when you do it at home, so you have a stopping point. And removable scales. Now you see we got green and we got black. Those are the first two color options offered.
Yep. So these we're putting under our flag of LTWK field ready.
Right.
Meaning these things are ready to go to work right now.
That's right.
You're gonna love them.
They're gonna see, you'll see the logo real close. I'm gonna drop some pictures in here and whatnot. But now above and beyond our very cool knife here, we have a variety of options for carrying this little bugger.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, if you count the two colors of handles, 12 different choices. You can, and they start at...
I know you say that, but...
It is.
It is.
I'm about to explain it. Right off the bat, you can buy this knife with no sheath.
Yep.
So either if you have a sheath that you really like from a previous Genesis, or you make your own sheath, a bunch of guys are doing that
Yes,
now.
this is our Genesis, our design, the same size, the same knife, except done by a machine.
Yeah, CNC'd. Yep. So you can use the sheath you already have and just buy the knife.
Mm-hmm.
Now, how much is that?
The knives, they start at $220.
$220.
Yeah.
Again, A2 steel, saber, all the good stuff. Or we have some sheath options.
The eye. Yep.
This is the first option. Then this is a basic pouch sheath, kind of traditional. That this fits in here. Oops. And as it sits in here, it's up a little higher. Easier to grab, just a different kind of design here.
Yep.
Just to
and
the
some
second
of you guys
bolt.
like more of the handle showing.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Option number 2 is the
Gundy.
square bottom,
square
like
bottom, yeah.
bushcrafting style, and it's your normal JRE. This is a
Right.
deep set kind of setup where you can attach gear to these eyelets or however you want to do that. Just a hip sheath. Or we have a dangler. So that fits the same, but now you have picked up the dangler and a fire steel loop.
Yep.
But wait, there's more.
Right. Here, you want to grab that, put those there. Okay.
We have the taco style Kydex.
With our slide lock.
Of course.
And again, this is our design. We were the ones that first introduced the slide lock years ago.
And you know, you can put a tech lock on here or an LT clip or all kind of stuff, paracord, and mount this however you might want to your person.
Taco style and the
Or-
pancake, the full-on leather Kydex that you guys have come to know.
Right.
So
the
there it is.
ambidextrous setup.
Oh,
You
yes,
can flip
yes,
this over, and if you're a southpaw, put it on the other side.
So what's very cool is it's all right here. This is us, 100%. We're super excited and proud of this, not only design, but what came out of it. A2 steel, just like we've been using for years. The JRE sheath spins on our side with that. Our friends at REC Manufacturing here in Ohio, we brought this thing together because we don't have the capability. We make everything by hand.
Right,
But
right.
man, what a great product. What a great product.
This is going to hopefully
I love this.
alleviate some problems and find some new customers because
Yeah.
it's a new item, but hopefully we'll slowly alleviate the, hey, you never have anything in stock.
So we got these in yesterday afternoon, and by 4:30 he already had his picked out and on his hip. So he's ready to rock and roll. So I think
But-
I'm going to keep this one.
Nick, well,
Yeah.
it's your place.
This
buddy.
isn't
You do what
Nick's.
you
It
want.
doesn't have his name on it.
Nick and I ran through the sharpening, no problem. We ran the spines, again,
Yeah, they're
so
super
that you
sharp.
can still do a
Super
fire
sharp.
steel. You can still make a tinder bundle. It's still our hands on
And
it.
left a little bit for the thumb.
Yeah, that's a
or the
little bit
round over.
different on the spine. I'll try and drop
But
a picture in here.
Yeah, but it's awesome.
Slightly rounded
That's
part
awesome.
right in front of the scales, about an inch.
So as you can see,
Three
we're
thumbs.
pretty excited about
is
this
so cool.
drop.
Oh, yeah.
And they're going to be dropped at Blade.
Right.
Saturday at Blade. So
Well, there's one
stay
more.
tuned.
Wait, let me throw this
Oh,
in because
go
I
ahead.
forgot. This Kydex and that Kydex,
Mm-hmm.
because these scales and the blanks are all machine made, they're all the same.
Yeah.
So, let me your knife. Trade me. Oh, this is.
Yeah, you didn't scare me at all.
Put that in there.
I know.
So if you
Nothing.
buy the knife with no sheath or a leather sheath and go, you know what, I think I want a Kydex.
Yeah.
We can make one of these and you do not have to send your knife in, which is another, we have to do it when they're handcrafted because they're all
Yeah,
different.
they're all different.
These are all the same. So
So-
just tell us or they'll be on the website.
Yeah.
Order one and we will ship it to you.
Thank you guys all
problem.
for the support.
Yeah,
And we appreciate it. We hope you love us as much as we do because we sure do like it.
this thing's fantastic.
Can I have my knife back?
They're all green. What's
Well,
the
I know,
difference?
but they may look the same, but this one is mine.
Oh boy. Okay.
Thank you. God bless you.
See ya.